Without calculating all over again, observe things and find out what will be the change in the perimeter if a new square is attached as shown in the on the right. Okay, so you have the following, right? You have a certain perimeter over here, and when we add a square, let me actually zoom in a bit, only then it will make sense, right? When we're adding a new square over here, what will be the change in the perimeter? What will be the new perimeter? We have to do it without actually going again and looking at the calculation, counting the sides. Like here, I'll count 1. Let me change the color. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So I did the tough part. This has 24 units as its perimeter. Okay, so this is your perimeter. Let me not do that. Yeah. Now the question is, what about figure 2? When we add this, what is the new perimeter? We have to do it without calculation. You don't have to sit and do this counting. Try to use common sense and do it is what they're trying to tell you. So if I use common sense, right? If I happen to put this in this space, so what is happening? Well, this particular structure is enclosing the existing side. So this will be 24 minus 2, but it's exposing new sides. So this will be plus 2. So this in turn gives us 24 itself. So in this case, what is happening? Till now we saw that perimeter was changing while the area remained the same. But in this case, what is happening? So this is 24 minus 2 plus 2. Why minus 2? Because two sides are closing up. Two sides are closing. Why plus 2? Two sides are opening. Two new sides are opening, or two sides are opening when you add the square. So experiment placing this new square at different places and think what the change in perimeter will be. Can you place the square so that the perimeter will increase, decrease and stay the same? So let's try doing that. So we already saw that it can stay the same. The perimeter stays the same. While the area, what happened to the area? Yes, it increased. So there are 24. How many squares are there though? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 of it. So I need to cancel this. So we already have that. 1, 2, 3. Have something like this. This and this. So this is the existing structure. I'm adding a new one. Oh, sorry. Oh, it's changing that way. So there are now 12 of them. Okay. Bad. So this is the extra one. So we have something like this at the center, this at the bottom, this at the bottom, this at the top, and this over here. So we did this. So what happened? Whatever was already exposed, that got closed, but new side exposed. Okay. Now, can I make it stay the same? Yes. If I put it over here, again, two sides closed and two sides opened up. Can I decrease the perimeter? Can you think of it? Is there any space that we can decrease the perimeter? Basically, if you place it, more sides has to be closed than what is open. Well, this is a possibility. So this decreased. If you count it, let me actually do that. Okay, let me do it here itself. I don't know if I can zoom in. Yeah, I can zoom in. convenient. 1, 2, let me change the color also. Black will suit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So it was 24 if I'm right. Yeah, it was 24. Now it became 22. It reduced. How did I do that? I shifted to a position wherein this square closed more area. And even this is a possibility. Can I increase? So basically I have to shift from this position to a new position wherein it opens up more than closing more. Where can I do that? In quite a few places actually. This is a simplest possibility. I'm closing one but opening up. Actually opening up. Yeah, actually I'm quite a few places is opening up. So here too, if I do this same thing again, zooming in and counting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Can you see that? I got 26. So how did I achieve that? Again, I went with a simple process of opening up more. Okay. So opening up more in this way. This is, I'm closing more sides. It is collapsing, right? This is collapsing. This will reduce. When I open up, what happens? When I open up, yes, when I open up, the area remains same while the perimeter increases. That's the funda. Okay. So when I move this around, the area remains the same while the perimeter can increase. So we got to see increase, decrease, and it can stay the same. That we saw over here. So what is the conclusion again? Yes, the same conclusion that for a fixed area, we can have different perimeters. While for a fixed perimeter, we can have different area. That also we saw. So both are possible. Okay guys, both are possible. As you saw with quite a few examples, both are possible. So it's left to you guys to, move things around. So I just have one square that I can move around. You can place at different positions. It has to be so. It can't be this. It has to be so. There has to be continuation. And you can check it out. Okay. So you will get some repeated values, but yeah, you get to see different shapes though. Different areas too.